Hi, I'm Ruby Mae, the Atomic Baker. Today, we're going to be making s'mores chocolate chip cookies. Let's get your ingredients together. First, you're going to need 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup mini marshmallows, and 1 cup crushed graham crackers, about 6 sheets. Let's move on to the instructions. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. About 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in the egg and then the vanilla until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until combined. Be careful not to overmix your dough. Once combined, gently fold in the chocolate chips, the mini marshmallows, and the crushed graham crackers. Using a spoon, I like using an ice cream scoop. Spoon the dough onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. You can also use a silk pad. Make sure to space your cookies about 2 inches apart. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until edges are golden brown, but the centers are still soft. If you are making larger than a tablespoon-sized cookie, you may need to up the baking time to 12 to 15 minutes. Once done, take the cookies out of the oven and top with more chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers for that nice bakery look. You can even toast your marshmallows to give it a more s'mores look. Make sure to let your cookies cool completely before enjoying. I know it's tempting, but they will be really hot. And there you have it, the flavor of a fireside story, right from the oven. Because some memories deserve to be baked, not burned. Enjoy! From my retro oven to your atomic heart. Thanks for watching. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more mid-century sweets that are out of this world.